Last video, we built the button board inside Premiere. Today, we open the engine. Magic Automa's clip actions for Premiere. There's one rule, and it covers everything. You select the clips in the timeline. The button does the rest. Color, name, speed, duration, transforms, and by the end, a picture-in-picture in one click. Let's go in order. First block, Premiere Clip Color. I select 3 clips. Yes, the selection can be wide, and the yellow button labels them all. Look at the project panel. The swatches are already yellow. The colors are Premiere's label colors. You pick from drop-down. Second block, Premiere Clip Property. Rename the selected clips or switch them on and off. Disable. The clip stays in the timeline but leaves the program. The classic with or without check. Enable, and it's back. Small things? Small things you do 100 times a day. Speed. Here Magic Automa does something different. Premiere's API doesn't touch clip speed, so the action opens the real dialogue, speed/duration, and fills it in for you. Value. Checkboxes confirm in half a second. I select tap slow motion, 50%, and watch the timeline. I ask for ripple edit too, so the clip stretches and the ones after it move over. No gaps, no overlaps. The form has every option from the dialogue. Ripple, reverse to play backwards, maintain audio pitch, and interpolation. The 200% version picks optical flow for smooth motion. One habit to build. While it runs, hands off mouse and keyboard. It's over in a blink. Premiere Clip Trim works on the clip's time. Move it on the timeline, change start, end, in and out points, or its duration. Nudge, 1 second right, precise, no dragging. In my favorite case, a row of photos, all different lengths. I select them, duration 4 seconds, and the row is uniform. Slideshow ready. In the parameters, you pick the operation and the seconds, negative to go left. And the big block, Premiere Clip Transform. These are the motion and opacity controls from Effect Controls. Scale, position, rotation, opacity, and crop to. Written by the macro onto the selected clips. Fields you leave empty aren't touched. The action changes only what you ask. Scale 50. There it is, small, centered. But the reason this action exists is this button, pip top left. Scale 33, position in the corner, 1 click, and the clip is a picture-in-picture over the interview. And when the experiment isn't right, Reset Transform brings everything back to neutral. A trust note, each action is one transaction. 1 Control plus Z in Premiere undoes it whole. To recap, 5 actions, 1 rule. You select the clips, the macro works. Clip color for labels, property for name and on-off, speed for the real dialogue, trim for time, transform for scale, position, and the picture-in-picture. Put them on the panel buttons like in the last video, and Premiere sits under your fingertips. In next video, we actually edit. Effects and transitions applied by name, footage that cuts itself at every scene change, and clips dropping into the timeline straight from the project. See you there.